Welcome to the Content Creation Series. In this video, we're exploring one of the most important decisions you'll make as a content creator: selecting your niche. Your niche is the specific area or topic you focus on, and choosing the right one can make the difference between struggling to build an audience and growing a thriving channel. Let's dive in. Choosing a niche gives you a competitive advantage. When you specialize in a specific area, you stand out from creators who cover everything. You build authority faster because your audience sees you as an expert in that particular field. This creates a loyal community of viewers who trust your expertise and keep coming back for more content. Additionally, a focused niche opens up better monetization opportunities. You'll see higher engagement rates from your audience, attract better sponsorship deals from brands relevant to your niche, and have more power to charge premium prices for your services or products. The key to finding your perfect niche is understanding what we call the intersection framework. Your ideal niche sits at the overlap of three essential elements. First, there's passion, what you genuinely enjoy creating. If you don't love the topic, you'll burn out quickly. Second is expertise, the skills and knowledge you already possess or can develop. Third is market demand, what your audience actually wants and is willing to pay for. The sweet spot is where all three overlap. Find this intersection, and you've found your ideal niche. Start by making a list of 5 to 10 subjects you could talk about for hours without getting bored. Consider your lifestyle and what activities you spend your free time on. Look for patterns across your interests. If you notice recurring themes, that's a strong signal. Finally, ask yourself this important question: would you create content on this topic even if you weren't making money? If the answer is yes, that's passion worth pursuing. Next, honestly evaluate what you're genuinely good at. Document your skills and consider your professional background, education, and unique life experiences. Identify which topics require significant learning versus which ones you can teach with confidence right now. Think about your distinct angle. What's your unique position that others don't have? Maybe it's your cultural background, your personal journey, your specific experience, or your combination of skills. This is what will set you apart. Now you need to verify that people actually want content in your niche. Use search trend tools to see what people are actively searching for. Study your competitors to understand who's already creating content in this space and how large their audiences are. Look at audience engagement by reading comments and identifying common questions and pain points. Finally, evaluate the monetization potential. Are there sponsorship opportunities? Are there affiliate products you can recommend? Is your audience willing to invest in courses or products? If there's no way to make money, it will be harder to sustain your channel long-term. Once you've identified potential niches, evaluate them using 4 key criteria. First, sustainability. Can you create content in this area for years to come? Is the topic evergreen or will it fade as a trend? Second, growth potential. Is there room for expansion? Can you create multiple content formats? Is the audience still growing? Third, differentiation. What makes you uniquely qualified? Can you offer a fresh perspective that others aren't providing? Is there a gap in the market? Fourth, profitability. Are there multiple revenue streams available? Are there high-paying partnerships? Will your audience invest in premium offerings? Even if your niche already has competitors, you can still succeed by finding your unique angle. You can differentiate through format and style. Maybe your content format is different, your production style is unique, or your storytelling approach is fresh. You can focus on a specific audience or perspective that's underserved, bring your unique background to the topic, or combine multiple sub-niches in a new way. Or you can compete on quality and depth, offer superior production, bring deeper expertise, or provide more practical and actionable content than your competitors. Your unique angle is what will attract an audience despite competition. Let me highlight some common mistakes to avoid. First, choosing too broad a niche. If your niche is too general, you'll be competing with thousands of creators, which dilutes your authority. Second, following trends without passion. When you're chasing trends just because they're hot, you'll burn out as soon as the trend fades or competition gets too intense. Third, ignoring audience research. Creating content you think is good without validating that anyone wants to watch it is a recipe for failure. Fourth, changing niches too frequently. Each time you switch, you reset your authority and audience growth. Stay focused and committed to your niche long enough to build real momentum. Before fully committing to a niche, validate your choice. Create 5 to 10 pilot videos in your chosen niche and closely watch how the audience responds. Check platform algorithms and see if your content gets recommended. Join online communities and forums related to your niche to observe real conversations and identify genuine problems people are facing. After publishing, dive deep into your analytics. Look at view duration, click-through rates, and audience retention. Real data tells the truth better than assumptions. Be willing to iterate and refine your approach based on what you learn. Evolution is a normal part of finding your perfect niche fit. Remember, a well-chosen niche is your foundation for success. It accelerates your growth, helps you build authority faster, and creates sustainable monetization opportunities. Your niche is not set in stone. You can refine it as you grow and learn. Now it's time to apply the intersection framework yourself. Take the next few days to identify your passions, assess your expertise, and research market demand. Find that intersection point. Your ideal niche is waiting for you. Start today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.